Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Des and you're watching DesTheFashionEater. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my quarantine morning routine, whether that's happening at 10 a.m. or 3:30. This is my routine that I do in the morning. So the first thing I do is snooze my alarm. Best believe it. I was then tagged in an Instagram post for the beauty company that I no longer work for, so that was exciting. But I usually start my day with the sun. I open up the window and then I open up the Bible app and read a verse. I just find it really grounding and inspirational to start my day with a Bible verse. And then once I'm done reading the verse, I like to look at the different graphics because they kind of say the same thing, but sometimes it's shorter or the graphic is just a little bit more understandable. Once I'm done reading my Bible verse, this is probably the most important part of my day. It's a great way, one, to not go back to bed, even though like I'm not even a napper, but it just makes the whole room feel super clean and it makes me want to work. So once I'm done making the bed, I have to pick out an outfit. So I'm just wearing a hoodie, some bicycle shorts, and fuzzy socks. Don't forget the fuzzy socks. Now a word from, you guessed it, that's right, me, the only person in this video. Do I tie-dye this or no? Leave it like this or bleach tie-dye it? Comment below and I'll do this again. This is from Amazon, by the way. I'm gonna do an Amazon video of things that I bought and didn't need, but I'm done right now, promise. So I just brushed my teeth, washed my face. I actually just finished this fresh face wash and I bought CeraVe because the book that I'm reading was like, you don't need to spend more money for something that can do the same thing, and I've heard amazing things from CeraVe. After that, I'm going to moisturize my face with Peter Thomas Roth. I am a Sephora VIB member. Very proud of myself for not buying anything during the Sephora sale. Going in with my favorite lip balm. This is Dr. Bronner, struggling to open it there. And then I'm going to put on some more Peter Thomas Roth vitamin C. This is stuff that you get when like you shop there and then they give you it back, like the bonus stuff. So Peter Thomas Roth, I've heard amazing things, so I had to get that little kit. After that, I'm just going to roll my face. I don't do this every single day, but it feels good to give myself a little face massage. Ooh, yeah, you can pick this up from Herbivore, anyone. Then I'm going to do a little tutorial for you. I don't do makeup, but I do my brows every single day for the most part. Benefit is the best at brows. And I was showing you this new product that they have like powder on the other side. I don't always use it, but I just wanted to show you that you can get like darker brows with it. Then I went in with their clear gel. So for my lips, I'm using NYX Cocoa Lip Liner and KKW Nude 6. My TikTok has like a full nude lip version, but this is the quick version of that. Okay, so I have been experimenting with my hair. Usually I have it in an afro, but I'm like, hey, I have all this time. Why not try something new? So I'm going to kind of walk you through the first half and then I'm going to fast forward the second half. Okay, so I'm undoing this braid that I already have. Spritzing it with water. I used Eco Styler the first day that I did this, but I don't want to add too much gel, so I'm going in with Miss Jessie's Coily Custard for a little bit of hold, not too much. And then I still need to detangle it, so I'm going to go in with Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. When I tell you that I'm running out of all of my products, I'm running out of all of them. So just add any conditioner that you have and then comb it out. I'm using the Felicia Leatherwood brush, but whatever detangling brush you have can also work. And then I had to add more conditioner that my hairstylist gave me like 2 years ago. Okay, once you have it detangled, you're going to want to braid. I'm just doing a very basic braid, and then once you braid all the way to the very end, you're going to wrap it around, then add the scrunchie. Now for the front. So I really want to learn how to cornrow and flat twist, and I'm like, the best way to learn is by doing it on a small piece of my head. So that's why I was like, I'm just going to do it in the front until I master it. So I'm doing the same thing here, detangling, And then I'm just grabbing a piece. Would do a regular twist and grabbing here as I go. I'm really not a professional on this, but if I can do this, you can do this. We can learn together. Okay, so just decide whether you want to go under or over, and then once you're done with that, you're gonna bobby pin it. So I'm gonna fast forward the next side and enjoy. So I don't know the last time that I had a BLT. So I think the day before this day, I would created this concoction. It has salami and pepperoni and just some lettuce. I used a spring mix. So enjoy this little recipe here and a little bit of dancing of me like I'm 5 years old drinking from a juice box. Okay. Fan is on. Okay. Oh, could that be a thumbnail? Yes, if only your head wasn't cut off, but it's okay. You'll get them next time, Tiger. I just got an email. Global influencer agency at the name. Why would I do anything that had that name attached to it? Jared sending me invitations for the crate movers. I will vlog that. Gonna go to California and move my whole life. Ooh, my jeans. That's what we saw downstairs. So my Levi's package and my Boohoo package has arrived. I'll do an unboxing in another video, or I'll do just like a try on haul for you. There's Create and Cultivate. I love that site so much and that brand as a whole. So they have job listings on there if you're interested. Great articles, like live talks. And I've been telling Jared, like, I've gone to these like work panels, and these same people who are talking, these are the same people who are on the IG lives for free, and you have to pay for these panels. Like, if you're in marketing or anything, like, honestly, these are gems. Like CEOs of companies talking. I find it amazing. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my BLT. I don't have bacon, so that's why I use that. Right now, I'm not gonna type and eat because that's nasty for my keyboard, but I am going to watch a YouTube video, and I'll put some people in the description box of people that I've been loving lately, because I feel like everyone's home and you need new people to watch. So if you have people that you love, please comment them down below, because, you know, you kind of watch the same people for years and years. And I need to switch it out. So that's pretty much it for my morning routine. I definitely could be better. I didn't get out of bed today, to be completely honest, until 3 o'clock, and that is not healthy, but this is how I start my day. I mean, like, I think it was Monday I got out of bed at like 9:30ish. So my ZQL is on my side table. I think it all starts with having a great sleep pattern, and my sleep pattern honestly, it has not been the best, but I think when I get to a better place, or maybe even when I'm not at a better place, I'll film like how I'm going to sleep at night, because I cannot be the only person with this problem, but it's something that I need to fix because I really don't think we're going to be outside anytime soon. So I need to make sure that like I'm on a schedule, whether I have a job or not. Like, I should be doing it for myself. I should start listening to this book that this girl was telling me about once, about like motivation. I just need to find my inner motivation. I don't know, I find a lot of my motivation from like a career, and I really hate that about myself. So I don't want to be like, oh, I have to wake up at like 8:30 in the morning so I can log on and like hop on the Zoom meeting. Like, I just want to wake up 8:30 in the morning and just be motivated to get up out of bed. Like, don't scroll on Instagram, just like get up, whether it's doing yoga or like learning something, making breakfast. Like, I just need to get the up, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna eat my sandwich, and after this I'm going to take another class on Codecademy. I took one yesterday, so I'm gonna see if like coding and like the path of software engineering is where I want to go with my life. Yeah, it'll be a good combination with my marketing background. So anyways, let me know what you are doing in your quarantine and what you think I should add to my morning routine. Like, what do you do in your morning routine that you love? Like this video if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more. I have a lot of content coming, fashion vlogs, and room decor, because I'm redoing this room. I really don't want my channel to be limited to one thing. It's my life, so these are the things that I'm doing in my life, and your life changes over time. Like, everyone's life changed when the quarantine happened, right? Okay, anyways, have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.